Hello everyone, good evening, and today I'm here to to make other people know about the culture of India. Like for example, today I'm taking this video on 10th of October 2025, and I will be presenting this story or theme, whatever I am making right now, in two languages. First is English, and then along with that I will speak in Japanese as well. So the people who understands English and the people who understands Japanese language are requested to please listen to it and please use it. And you all are requested to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so my name is Anjali. My name is Anjali Saxena, and I put up in India, Noida. And actually, today is 10th of October 2025, and I am today is one of the main festivals of Hindu, which is celebrated specially in northern India and the central India, especially in the states like Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, and various other parts of the India as well. For example, like it is celebrated in Maharashtra, Pune, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, entire Uttarakhand, and even some parts of Himachal Pradesh, Punjab. So this is a very famous festival, and this festival is related to is for the married women. And so what we do on this, see, this festival is in Hindi, it is called Karwa Chauth. Okay, so it says as Karwa and Chauth, so there are two words. So Karwa means a kind of pot which is made up of earth and sand. And Chauth means in Hindi calendar we can say it is the fourth date, because in Hindi the date is Char, so it is called Chauth. So Karwa Chauth means, so Karwa and Chauth. And I will also show you the Karwa with which we do the puja today. I will show you. So this is the earthen pot. All of you can see. I have, I mixed a little flour with a little turmeric, and I made a paste with water, and I, decorated this. It was a pure earthen pot only earlier. Then then we decorate it. And on this day, this festival is for married women who pray to God for the long life of their husbands, so that they can have a big and problem free life. Okay, so this is like we are seeking the blessings of God for the longevity and the healthy life for our husbands. Okay, so today I'll be so I've told you so much of details now. So now let me shift to a little bit in Japanese, so that the people who understand Japanese can also refer to this thing. Hi, minasan, konbanwa. Watashi wa Anjali de gozaimasu. Moshi, hajimete, watashi no video o saisho ni to mite iru naraba, jibun no YouTube channel o zehi like to subscribe shite kudasai. Hai, yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Hai, kyou wa 10月の10日です。2025年です。だから今日は、カルバチョートという、ヒンズー教の、結婚している、女性たちのために、なんか女性たちのための主な祭りです。このお祭りは、カルバチョートと言います。カルバというのは、土でできたものです。土でできた、コンテナです。また、チョートというのは、ヒンディー語の歴の、4回目ということです。この日は、我々が自分の旦那さんのために、神様にお祈りをします。だから、この日は我々が自分をいろいろな宝石とかで飾ります。例えば、ビンディをつけて、これはアイライナーをつけて、また唇を からをつけて、またこういう宝石もつけて、また手の上にこういうふうにヒナッポペーストをつけて、これはメンディと言います。と、これ、すべてをつけて、飾ります。と、だから、今日はカルバチョーテですから、私はこのお祭りの、重要さを、自分の文化を、他の皆さんに多分英語とかヒンディ語がわからない人々の方にちょっと説明したいと思います。このビデオを撮っている理由としては、一番の目的としては、日本の方では皆さんが大体インドの習慣についてはよく知らないだと思いますので、これからは、もう、今、YouTube チャンネルを開催したばかりですので、これからは、ずっと、定期的に、なんかビデオを撮ったりとか、またショーツを作ったりとかにします。はい。だから、今日はカルバチョーテでしたので、また今日はいろいろ自分を飾って、お祈りを神様にしましたんです。だから今、すべての、なんていうすべての手続きが、すべてのプージャが今もう完了してありますので、多分、なんか、手続きも終わっていますので、だからこのビデオを今撮っています。また一番もう一つの一番の、やることが、この日には、朝から夜まで、我々が、断食をします。断食というのは、水と、また、食べ物が何でも全然食べません。Yes. So I will explain this in English as well because the first and foremost thing in this Karwa Chauth day is that we don't as the sunrise sets up in the morning, we don't eat and we don't drink since that time till the time when the night comes up and the moon rises up. So after that, once the moon rises, we pray with our husband to the moon because moon is the symbol of our beloved and moon is the symbol of God as well. So we chant little stories before God and we do the puja of moon and then the fast whatever we are observing since morning that it ends and then we drink and eat the dinner after the moonrise and all the puja is completed. はい、皆さんは、この日は我々が大事をします、断食をしますので、朝から夕方まで、夜までは何も食べません。だから、夜の月を見て、お祈りが完了したら、また、飲んだりとか、食べたりとか、いろいろ、楽しんだりにしています。はい。この説明はどうでしたかというふうにコメントのところに、ぜひ、私に教えてください。また、こういうものが、もし興味がある人が多いんだったら、これから、定期的に、ビデオを撮っていきたいと思います。はい、皆さんありがとうございます。So, all of you, please leave comments here. And please let me know if this was interesting and if more people would like to have or like to experience such kind of old traditions and they would like to know more about India. So please let me know in my comments and please please keep on liking my shorts and videos. Okay, thank you so much and bye bye. Good night.